This short webinar will introduce the web user interface for the blue-collar worker, as included in the first release of the TELLME prototype and tested in the first piloting phase. Basically, TELLME supports training on the job by enabling the interaction between the training manager, the process manager, and the blue-collar worker, providing suitable tools to assign, consume, and monitor working processes and associated training activities. This time, we focus in particular on some of the tools available to the blue-collar workers. Both off-the-job and on-the-job training activities are considered by the TELLME project. Augmented reality applications and multimodal mobile apps helps the blue-collar worker in learning by doing, whereas web user interfaces allow for off-the-job tasks as briefing or memory refresh. The latter ones are the focus of this webinar. Once logged in, the blue-collar worker receives a notification of the learning mixes that the system or the training manager has scheduled for consumption in order to fill the identified knowledge gaps. Clicking on one of the returned items, the associated learning mix is opened, and the included learning activities and learning contents are available for proper consumption. In the TELLME model, a learning mix is composed by several learning activities to be consumed in a precise given order. Each learning activity aggregates a given set of learning contents that the system or the training manager has selected from the available tagged content repositories. The TELLME platform manages different types of learning contents, from bare documentation, for example PDF version of job cards, to training videos provided by dedicated streaming servers. If the blue-collar worker needs more support, it is possible to specify a learning need by simply selecting a set of topics from the dedicated domain taxonomy, which is used to tag contents. The domain taxonomy includes categories of profiles, expertises, activities, tools, and objects, all strictly associated to the daily working activities the blue-collar worker usually copes with. As the learning need is implicitly associated to the tags used to describe learning contents, it is possible to interactively fine-tune the search focus to allow the system to increase or decrease the precision of the results. Some specific learning contents, such as job cards, might need to be consumed on specific mobile devices to exploit hands-free interaction and a deeper learning by doing experience. In this case, the blue-collar worker can open the content directly through the mobile user interface and the dedicated app. Stay tuned for other webinars. The blue-collar worker user interface has been implemented using the Dojo JavaScript Toolkit. More info at dojatoolkit.org.